Hello, my beautiful viewers. Today we will be unboxing Apple's new product, the AirPods Max. Make sure to stick around for the video, like, comment, subscribe, and share, and none the least, enjoy the video. Welcome back, viewers. Now let's get this bad boy out of its box. Now, as you can see, the box is pretty simple. On the front, there is the AirPods Max itself. This is the cool gray version. On the back, here it is with its case on. Really clean box, clean product overall. And lastly, on the side, the iconic Apple logo. Overall, this is a nice clean box. Apple did a great job with the packaging. Now let's get straight to unboxing. Plastic out. Okay. Wow. As you can see, here it is, the beautiful product itself. Wow, this product is beautiful. Packaging is great, really simple. There it is. Here's the product. Let's put that to the side. Here's the Apple card, designed by Apple in California. Yeah, these are all the instructions. And here's the charger for the headphones itself. Now, it's the case. Let's open this boy up. Let's take all this plastic out. Now, here's the case. Apple did a great job with this case. Honestly, this is a really simple case. It's clean. It's very portable. It's not too much. It's a really nice case. Simple. And here are the headphones. Let's take these out. Okay guys, now one really important factor to these headphones are the ear cups. Not only are they labeled L, R for left and right, which can be helpful to others, but they're removable, which is really cool because that means they can either be replaceable or washable. I wonder if they are washable, or if you can buy some possibly in the future off any manufacturing stores if they're lost. But yeah, that's really cool. Also, on the headband, there are no notches, which is really cool. It moves really slow, which is really clean. Takes little to no effort to move. It's really nice. Really clean addition to the headphones, really different from other headphones, which is why I like these headphones specifically. Apple made these headphones to be very different from other headphones, and it's just amazing. Guys, we talked about all the pros to these headphones, but let's talk about some of the flaws. Now, one flaw I noticed is that while just overall holding the headphones, the ear cups, the stainless ear cups, they're usually prone to hitting each other, which is, I think, kind of is a problem because after multiple uses, I feel like these, once rubbing against each other, make scratches on the stainless steel, which wouldn't look good over time. And also another flaw is that on head they don't really feel heavy, but once you're moving your head, you realize how heavy the headphones are itself. But staying still for a period of time, for a couple hours, I'd say it wouldn't feel so heavy. But once you move your head, you would now realize that the headphones are on your head and are heavy. Okay, viewers, let's go for a ride with these bad boys in my Mercedes.